Đây là bản viết lại theo phong cách Green Technology, tiếng Anh, giữ nội dung nhưng đổi câu từ và nhịp kể. Welcome to Green Technology, where modern forestry machines, smart land clearing, and sustainable wood processing work together to turn raw forest resources into useful value.
Not as a tree, but as timber. Nature's giant, the legacy lives on.
Look at this massive cedar finally coming down. A tree like this has lived through centuries of storms, seasons, and forest change. Now its journey does not simply end on the ground. It continues as timber with a new purpose, carrying its legacy from nature's giant hands into human use. The DAH 150R, mounted on a John Deere 350D, is built for serious vegetation control. It moves through brush, small trees, and dense growth with impressive force, turning overgrown land into usable ground. This is not just clearing, it is landscape transformation through controlled mechanical power. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. The mighty Mulcher 1270 takes stump removal to another level. It cuts through stubborn material with speed and confidence, leaving the ground clean enough to look like nothing was ever there. Efficiency, power, and site recovery all come together in one machine. Removing a stump with its root ball still intact is one of the hardest parts of land clearing. Roots lock deep into the soil, and the weight can be unpredictable. But with the right equipment and proper technique, even this demanding job can be handled safely and efficiently. In tree removal, focus and safety matter more than speed. One moment of distraction near height, chainsaws, or heavy machinery can turn into a serious accident. Professional forestry work depends on awareness, planning, and respect for the risks around every cut. No road, no problem. The K-Max helicopter lifts timber from remote alpine terrain where trucks and skidders cannot reach. Its twin-rotor design gives it incredible balance in tight mountain spaces. One pilot, one hook, and tons of wood move through the air with remarkable precision. Removing an old walnut tree with a Takechi TB 175 excavator and a Cat 518 skidder shows how effective machine teamwork can be. The Takechi carefully digs around the roots and loosens the ground. Then the Cat 518 uses its winch power to pull the tree free. Together, they turn a difficult and time-consuming removal into a controlled operation. In the race of forestry technology, the John Deere 1270G with the H425 head stands out with speed and accuracy. It processes dense logs into clean, sorted timber in seconds. Raw mechanical strength meets intelligent control, creating high-output forestry with less wasted movement. The 1720 stump puller is a serious tool for plantation recovery. Built to handle stumps from 10 to 58 centimeters in diameter, it works at an efficient speed range and can clear up to 1.6 hectares per hour. This is more than stump removal. It is fast, large-scale land preparation that saves time and resources. If you enjoy watching powerful and perfect machines, remember to subscribe to the channel. We bring you the most impressive and amazing technologies from around the world. The Raptor 800 moves through the site with steady control, while the M900 mulcher clears everything in its path. By the end of the job, what once looked like dense chaos becomes clean, usable land ready for the next stage. A heavy forestry mulcher turns stubborn vegetation into fine mulch within seconds. Thick brush, logs, and dense growth are reduced into useful ground cover. Instead of leaving waste behind, the machine helps return organic material back into the land. Out in the snow and cold, a forester takes on a giant oak. This kind of work demands more than strength. It requires grit, patience, and the determination to finish the job even in harsh winter conditions. Pezzolato PTH1400 shows industrial wood chipping at a serious scale. With 700 horsepower and a massive infeed opening, it does not simply chip logs. It consumes them. Built for non-stop production, it can push out huge volumes of wood chips and clear massive piles in minutes.
Self-propelled, relentless, built to erase piles in minutes. This is industrial power on a whole different level. Up to an 8-foot cedar with anything less than full respect and serious firepower. That 36-inch bar.
An 8-foot cedar demands respect, planning, and real cutting power. A 3/6-inch bar paired with a 90cc saw gives professionals the control they need. Clean cuts reduce fiber loss, speed up processing, and preserve more value from every log. The TurboSaw RT3400 is a powerful cutting attachment designed to handle tough trees with impressive speed. Its rotating blade cuts through material smoothly, making land clearing faster, cleaner, and easier to manage. The TGR155 ROLMEX cutting bar feels like a major upgrade for operators who need speed and reliability. With 60 cuts per minute and blades that are easy to replace, it reduces downtime while making tough cutting work far more efficient. If you love technology, incredible power, and amazing footage, please support the channel by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more amazing machine videos every day. The Woodcracker CS610 is a compact but aggressive cutting attachment with 360-degree rotation, a powerful saw, and smart chain control technology. It handles urban tree work, storm cleanup, and tight spaces with controlled precision. It turns difficult removals into clean mechanical cuts.
Absolute cutting power. Snow, slope, and 40 tons of timber.
Snowy slopes and 40 tons of timber are no small challenge. but the Volvo FH16750 makes the climb look controlled. With 750 horsepower and massive torque, it handles icy forest roads while the crane loads timber with careful accuracy. This is not ordinary trucking. It is winter timber transport at full force. The LT70 sawmill changes the way large logs are processed. Hydraulic loading, turning, and clamping systems move heavy pine logs with minimal strain on the operator. Every lever-controlled movement improves production, turning rough timber into usable boards with speed and precision. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. Cutting through the root ball of a large tree is never simple. Hidden tension, heavy root mass, and unstable weight make every move risky. For an experienced operator, it may look routine, but the job still demands judgment, control, and respect for the forces inside the wood.